In this video I will teach you how you can earn money just by watching videos. You can make money easily just by downloading some extensions and doing some special settings. I will teach you in this video. You stay with me, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I keep making such videos for you. Now we will learn this with full practical on computer screen. First of all, you have to log into timebucks account. If you have not joined timebucks yet, then join by clicking on joining link on description, and after completing profile and quality survey, click on earn tab. After this, by clicking on the content, come down a bit and click on engage. As soon as you click on the engage, then after coming down a bit, you will see green colored rectangle on which the word start running will be written. Click on start earning. By clicking on start earning, a new website will open in front of you, whose name will be Engaged Hits. You have to log in with Google. Remember, here you must log in with Google and with the email that you used while registering your timebucks account. As soon as you log in successfully with that email, some such interface will appear in front of you. Earn money, campaign status, see in horizontal. From left to right you will get download extension word written as you are seeing on the screen. Click on the download extension word which is written. If you see a green color rectangle in which download now is written, you click on it, the Engaged Hit extension will start downloading on your PC, laptop or computer. As soon as the extension downloads, now you right click on it and select extract files, and a window will open. Click on OK as you are seeing in practical time to time. After this, click on the 3 points that you see on the top right side. As soon as you click, a new menu will open. Come down a bit, go to More Tools, and click on the extension. Switch on the developer mode by swap right to left, click on top right side. As soon as you turn on the developer mode, 3 options will be shown. Out of these, click on the top of the Load Unpack and select the folder named Engaged Hits Chrome extension from the place where your extracted folder is lying. With this, your folder will be loaded and it will look like this. Now turn off developer mode and your work is ready. Just do 2 more things. On the left side, go up, now 3 dots from right to left, you will see an extension icon. Click on the icon of extensions and come down a bit and click on Engaged Hits. As soon as you click on it, 2 options will be shown. 1. Earn money. 2. Earn advertising points. You have to click on Earn money. When you click on Earn money, your video will start searching on YouTube and will play automatically. All your work has started. You will see that the time running on the timer. When the time starts on timer, it means that your earning has started. Now let the video play itself until the break of 24 hours comes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.